Friends, if you ride a bike or a scooter, then this question must have come in your mind. Why are diesel engines not provided in bikes? For example, both diesel and petrol engines are present in the cars, but the diesel engine is not provided in the bike. If you continue to have similar questions in your mind, then watch this video till end. Friends, there is some difference between petrol engine and diesel engine, due to which the petrol engine is not given in the bike. The main difference between diesel engines and petrol engines is their compression ratio. The diesel engine has a compression ratio of 24:1. That is 24 part air and 1 part diesel. While the ratio of petrol engine is 11:1. That is 11 parts on air and 1 part on petrol. And to handle this high compression ratio, diesel engines need to be bigger. And also, it made up by the heavy metal, and this is why diesel engines are heavier than petrol engines. So, diesel engines are not right for a small vehicle like bike. The diesel engine produces higher sound and vibration than the petrol engine, due to the high compression ratio. And because of the diesel engine, the bike always remains unstable, so diesel engines are not provided in the bike. In addition, diesel engines pollute more than petrol engines. We know that bikes are bought more than cars, and for this reason, if the bike has a diesel engine instead of the car, then it will pollute more. And diesel engine is more expensive than petrol engine, that's why petrol engine is used in the bike. We hope that you liked this video, and don't forget to like and share this video. And subscribe our YouTube channel for such unique informative videos. If you have a question, then please write in the comment box. Once again, and thanks for watching this video.